Hello, welcome back. Now we will discuss about, we have discussed face and get. Now it's time to discuss about the client navigation are no longer cached by default. So client in navigation in between will no longer be cached, but previously it was cached. So she's saying in Nextjs app router launched face, no, not this one, this one. Client router cache base components by default. In Nextjs 14 introduced experimental stale times flag to allow custom configuration the route cache. In Next.js 15, the flag is still remain accessible, but we are changing the default behavior to have stalemate 0. They have changed the behavior 0 means it will not cache for page segments. This means that as you navigate around your app, the client will always reflect the latest data from the page components that become active as part of the navigation. However, there are still important behavior that can remain unchanged. So share layout would not be refaced from the server. Partial pre-rendering back forward. We'll discuss these things later, but now it's time to discuss about the stale time 0. It means it will not cache. So let's do it. I have changed the page. Here is the to navigate in between. We go about and there is about page. Okay, about page, it has a random number generator. Okay, and this is the output, and you see it's changing randomly. Previously it was 44, this is 69, again 87, again 89, again 95. So it previously it has been cached, but right now it's not caching. They're changing the number. And if you go about cache control, there is the heat over here. Yeah, no cache control, no cache. So it's changing frequently. About loading 83 0. We are navigating in between 7. They're saying that this flag remains accessible, but we are changing the default behavior to 0. So 0 means it will take no time for page segment. This means that as you navigate around your app, the client will always reflect the latest data from the page components that become active as part of the navigation. However, there are still important behavior that remain unchanged. Okay, so I hope you got my point. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to stay connected. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTKquery, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.